Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link your GCash Mastercard to PayPal. So the very first thing that you have to do is open your GCash application. Once you're here, go ahead and tap on the profile at the bottom right corner. Now once you're here, you just have to make sure that your GCash account is fully verified, because if you're not fully verified, then you cannot do the steps. So once you're here, just go ahead and tap on My Linked Accounts. So once you do that, you will see all these options to link your account. So what you're going to do is click on the PayPal, which is here, click on it, and you will have this pop up. So just go ahead and tap on link account. And now it will load like this. So you just have to wait, tap on continue right here. So it will redirect you to this page right here. So what you're going to do in here is go ahead and put your login details of your PayPal. So go ahead and put here your email and as well as your password. So once you do that, it will ask for your email. So you just have to provide your email and they will send a code to your email. So you just have to check your email and type in here the code. Now that you're all set, just tap on connect and agree. So let's just wait for it. So there you have it. You're now linked to the GCash Mastercard. So just tap on got it. So in here, you can also send money from PayPal to GCash easily. And once you check it, you will see that your PayPal is now linked to your GCash. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.